Perfect, now we will see a small thing on React. So how does it work? You see it's very simple. As you can see, we are currently in the app.js. We have the app function, which is here. So what we are going to do is we are going to write a paragraph in the div where we will write course React. Now keep in mind that in standard JavaScript you will somehow select an element on the page, for example with the document getElementById, as we do here. Document.getElementById. Here we have the root here, which also comes in the index.js, which is there in the document getElementById. Afterwards, we can also make a document.createElement, and in brackets you put the p. We can do that, and we can also do const para is equal, and then we will define the content of the text. That means we will write para.text content, and there we will put our course React. And here we will add a dot append para between brackets. This is actually what you would do in standard JavaScript. This follows an imperative approach as you give clear step-by-step instructions, and this is what JavaScript and the browser really do. Of course, we are not going to keep all this because you see it's taking space. Otherwise, here's how it works. And now we're going to build our first component at this expense tracker.